So now that we have our car working, let's add some controls for the camera. So we basically want the camera to rotate around the car. And first we'll need an input, but let's try to add the input another way. So one way that I'll show you is through axis mappings, where you can click plus and then add your input for your mouse. But let's go to car blueprint and let's just add it directly. We can type mouse X and we can add it also like this. Of course, the disadvantage of this is that you don't have it mapped in your project settings. Now that we have this, we want to rotate around the spring arm, so let's pull that and type add rotation, and we want to add relative rotation. So this is just gonna add some number to the rotation, and we don't want it to add it to all of the points or all of the axes, so we're just gonna add it to the Z. And now we should be able to rotate the camera. And now if I rotate the camera, we can see it's rotating. Now we have the problem where you can see the blurriness around the tires. And to remove that blurriness, there is two things that you need to do. First thing would be to search for motion blur, but you can see this is disabled, but there is an override in the post-process volume. So if you click in here and type motion blur, we can see it's not in here, but if we search to all of the post-processes, we can see we can find it in here. So let's disable it and click play. And now if we drive, we can see that there is no motion blur on the tires, and we can freely rotate our camera.